How to fix Cash App NFC tag detected. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If there is the notification that the NFC tag has been detected, you can actually turn it off. What you can do is, you can scroll down the main menu from your Cash App, in which you will see the button of your NFC tag. All you need to do is simply tap on turn it off, after which your NFC tag will be removed. However, after the tag has been turned off but the notification is still there might be a technical bug or the glitch issue. To solve it, tap open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash App. For stop your application, head to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This should solve your problem. So go ahead and give those steps a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.